Now I show you how to install the lock. Drill cavity according to template guide. Put the lock case into the cavity. Make sure the front plate of lock case is moved. Insert the spindle and the spring into the cam on both sides of the lock case. Put the spring shaft into the screw bolt switch on the back of the lever. Make sure the toggle switch is unlocked. Keep the front lever tied to the door. Insert the spring shaft into the spindle and cover the rails. Fix the rails on the door by screw. Put the outside rails on. Rotate the lever tool by the wrench supplied. Rotate the cylinder into lock case. It can be equipped with a spin solid brass ANSI cylinder. Master key is available. Fix the cylinder by tighten screws. Insert the thumb through the door hole, then fix by screws. Fix the front plate with the screws on the lock body. The lock I'm showing can be used in the dormitory, apartment, and entrance. ANSI Mortise lock, which has US fire rating certificate and ANSI Graven certificate. It's made of stainless steel 304 anti-rust, durable, and high corrosion resistance. It can be applied to wooden doors, metal doors, and fire doors. We can provide the datasheet and a 5-year warranty. D&D is your one-stop partner in the door hardware industry. Contact us now.